Imagine you have a brilliant startup idea and you need investments to translate that idea into a profitable business. Now, what can you do? You have to approach investors. They may be angels or venture capitalists. Now, when you approach them, they will only give you a short window of 15 to 20 minutes to present your idea. To make your presentation very effective, you need the help of something called as investment pitch deck. Now, an investment pitch deck is nothing but a PowerPoint presentation which explains various aspects of your business idea, like what is your product, what is your business model, from where you will get the revenue, how much investment you need, how much return you will give the investors, etc. etc. And in this video, we are exactly going to learn how to prepare a good investment pitch deck. Before we move on, I want to tell you few qualities of a good investment pitch. The investment pitch should be convincing. The investment pitch should cater to the audience that you are presenting. The investment pitch should not be more than 15 to 20 minutes. And the investment pitch should clarify all the possible doubts that will come in the mind of the investors when they listen to you. So, let us move on to understand what are the contents of a good investment pitch. To make this experience, make this learning effective and to help you understand things practically, I have chosen a practical example of a very successful startup by the name Airbnb, which was founded in 2008. For those who are not familiar with Airbnb, Airbnb is an online portal where you can let out your properties or your spare space for rent to guests and travelers. Having understood what is Airbnb, let's move on to understand what are the contents of a good investment deck.
First part of the pitch presentation is a high-level summary. This usually is the opening slide. In this slide, we should highlight the essence of our business. When the investor sees the slide, they should get a rough idea as to what the business is all about. Ideally, high-level summary should be in a single or maximum 2 slides. Now, let's take a look at the Airbnb's opening slide. What does it show? It shows a very nice looking room and it also says book room with locals instead of hotels. Now, from these words, an investor can get a rough idea of what Airbnb is all about. Second part of an investment pitch is the problem statement. In this part, we will try to highlight the problems that we are trying to solve. It could be an imperfect service or a process or an imperfect product which customers are currently using. Our focus should be on highlighting the inadequacy of the existing product or service. Just repeating what I said earlier, this problem is what we are trying to solve. Now, let us take a look at the problem statement slide of Airbnb. You can see they are listing down 3 problems they identified back in 2008. What are they? One is price. They identified that for a given facility, the price being charged by hotels are on the higher side. 2, they identified the disconnect from the city and the city culture. 3, there were no existing reliable or dependable system to book room with a local or for a local to become a host for travelers. So that summarizes the problems. In the next part of the presentation, we will talk about our product idea. Our product idea is basically the solution. The solution to the problems we explained in the problem statement. 2 things that we have to achieve in this part of presentation. 1, convincing the investor on how our product will solve the problem. Also, we should ensure that all the doubts that may come to their mind are cleared before we move on. Let us again fall back to the Airbnb pitch presentation. What does it read? A web platform where users can rent out their space to host travelers. So Airbnb was introduced as a web portal where locals of a city can register themselves and let out the unused space in their house for travelers. With that, they achieved three things. Save money for the travelers, as these facilities, though same quality, will come at a lesser cost for the traveler. 2. The host can make money. 3. The traveler will get to interact with the host and they will get the experience and share culture of the locals. So that's how Airbnb as a platform aims to solve the problem they highlighted in the problem statement. Fourth part of the investment pitch talks about business model. Business model basically explains about the target customers, the market, the organization strength, the key elements of the product and how it will be sold. Whether it will be a direct sales, franchising, advertisement based or brick and mortar stores, etc. When we explain the business model, we have to highlight the strength, uniqueness, advantages of our model. If you look at Airbnb's business model, they have mentioned that they will earn their money by charging 10% on the bookings. They have also mentioned about their target market penetration, price per accommodation, etc. In the fifth part of the investment pitch, promoter will talk about the market and the marketing strategy. Firstly, we will present the total size of the market and then we will explain what is the target market share that we are looking to capture. We will also explain how we are planning to do that. However, if we are at a very preliminary stage of product development, this slide does not have much importance to the investors. But this will give them the confidence that promoters have thought about how to sell the product. Now let us look at the slide of Airbnb on market size. You can see that they have talked about the total bookings that is happening world over in terms of number and value, and that they are planning to capture 15% of the market share. Sixth part of the investment pitch, we have to talk about our competition. Here, we will talk about not only the existing but also the potential competitors. We should do a SWOT analysis of the competition, and in this part we have to explain how we are different from the competition. Going to the Airbnb pitch deck, they have not talked about the direct competition because at that point of time they did not have any direct competitors. They were competing only with the existing system of commercial hotels. But they prepared a slide on competitive advantages that Airbnb possesses. Please take a look at the 6 advantages that they claimed during the pitch. 1. They are the first to market. 2. The portal is easy to use. 3. Access to profile of host and traveler is available to each other. 4. If you list your property once, it will be visible till you choose to remove it. 5. The design and the brand of Airbnb. And last, the incentive that the host will get. The next part of the pitch talks about the team. This is a very important part for the investor because they are investing in the team, its passion and dedication. So, we have to introduce our team in this slide. We should use this opportunity to highlight the team's strength, their experience and their commitment and vision to build something big. As you see in the Airbnb team slide, they speak about the 3 important members of their team and their skill sets and experience. Next part of the investment pitch will be about financials and projections. In this part, we will be projecting key financial numbers like investment required, how it will be deployed, revenue generations, cost to be incurred, etc. These projections are not very important unless you are an established company. Still, it will be definitely enhancing the credibility of the promoter as a team which understands financial matrices. Some of the key things we have to include in financial projections are the income statement, the balance sheet, the cash flow statement and the ratio analysis of the projected numbers. Coming to the last part of the pitch presentation, we can call it as ask or financing. In this part, the promoter will ask how much money is required to implement the project, how much they are planning to invest themselves and how they are planning to raise the deficit. Usually, the investors are happy if the promoter has invested a good amount in the project already because It shows the confidence of the promoters in the project. As I already mentioned, a detailed financial projection is not required for a startup. And also, we won't have time during the investment pitch to discuss about the financials in detail. So only key figures are disclosed. And the most important of all that is how much fund we want and for what. If you see the Airbnb slide, you will notice that they have asked for $5 lakh from angels to reach 80,000 transactions in 12 months time. And this will give them a projected revenue of $2 million. I hope you have understood academically as well as practically on how to make an investment pitch. Before we wind up this topic, let me list down the key contents of an investment pitch. 1. A high-level summary. 2. The problem statement. 3. Our product, which is the solution. 4. The business model. 5. Market and the marketing strategy. 6. About our competition. 7. Our team. 8. The financial projections. And 9. Financing or ask. Thank you.